Personal finance. In this video we are talking about 9 personal finance rules that will help you to save a lot of money. First is the rule of 72. How many years will it take your money to grow? So rule of 72 is 72 by the interest rate. That is the rule of 72 you can apply to grow your money. Next is rule of 70. How long it will take for the inflation to have the value of currency? Rule of 70 is equal to 70 divided by the interest rate. 4% withdrawal rule suggests withdrawing 4% of your retirement savings annually. Annual withdrawal is equal to 4% of your total savings. 100 minus age rule determines ideal equity debt collection allocation based on age. Equity allocation percentage is equal to 100 minus age. 10-5-3 rule. Your equity allocation mean 100 minus age. Suppose your age is 30, so 100 minus 30, 70% must be the equity allocation. 10-5-3 rule provides expected return for different asset classes. 10% equity, 8% debt and 3% saving account. 5% debt and 3% saving account. 50-30 rule. Budgeting the rule for allocating income into needs, wants and savings. 50% needs, 20% wants, 30% wants and 20% savings. 6x emergency rules. Always have 6x months expenses for financial security. Emergency fund is equal to 6 into monthly expenses. 40% EMI rule. Keep loan EMI under 40% of your income to stay stress free. So suppose if your salary is X amount, then you have to have the EMI of 40% of the monthly income, right? So the EMI must not exceed about the 40% of your monthly income. Keep that in mind, right? Life insurance rule. Get at least 10 to 15% of your coverage of annual income. So life insurance coverage is equal to 10 to 15 into annual income. So if your annual income is like suppose 2 lakh, then your life insurance coverage would be 10 or 15 into 2 lakh rupees, right? It is just calculation. Everything is mathematics. Everything is based on numbers. Especially if you are talking about money, it's all about numbers only. So make sure you save this video, right? Take the printout of this image, right? And keep in your mind what you are doing. Especially is in emergency rule, because emergency rule is equal to 6 times into your monthly expenses, right? You have to use all this calculation to budget money, to budget finance, to make financially stable, right? To know about money, to know about personal finance. I hope that this video really helps. If it helps, give it a like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.